Hey, what's up, fam? Cody checking in. I just wanted to post this little video and edit that I made the other day, and kind of just share a message. This is like the importance of finding a passion and having a hobby. This is my motorcycle, and it gets me out. I meet new people, I see new things, so I suggest that you guys go find a cool passion and a hobby, and yeah, go have some fun out there. Cheers, y'all.